kynhun ïalehkai football jong Umtyrnga Football Club kalayo syndon bandra ekanam Lahduh Lumnongrim ïalehkai football jong first BSA Open to all knockout football tournament bala pynïaid Byrnihat Sport Association hadien bakala pynliem no kynhun jong Lamare Football Club the R goal lakaway jingïakhun hapreng kini ïalehkai Football Club kalong kaba itynnad bar shongkun kablalong madan ïalehkai jong Lumnongrim Byrnihat Ri Bhoi District. Yagini lumpung ïalehkai football lawan Byrnihat perdaru Umtyrnga kejelau konut ki sangma kemukongsan jedon langru uba sostunu soto MLA jirang constituency uba badru kemu president ke BSA uba Victor Rani MDC ikong RM Kurba deputy commissioner ke Ri Bhoi District bar kiwe de ki khotjo ke BSA bar ki riu pau khmat ke than Byrnihat.
The youth is our priority. As a government, we have come out with our youth as well as our sports policy. For the first time in the history of this state, we finally have a direction on where we would like to take our youth. We have a plan on how we would like to achieve it. And therefore, there is a lot of work to be done. But I am very happy to tell you that we have started the work and a lot of programs are going to be held when it comes to the youth. In respect to sports, you are aware that many infrastructure projects have been taken up in different parts of the state. The highest amount of infrastructure fund for sports arenas has been sanctioned by this government. And I am also happy to inform you that like we have sanctioned the projects in different parts of the state, we have also done that for this particular field where we are having this football final. It is with the help and support of your MLA that I would like to announce that we will be constructing the gallery and the stadium out here in this very field. And I can assure you that the Honorable Sports Minister, the Honorable MLA and myself will come back before this year's Christmas to give you a Christmas present by laying the foundation stone for this particular stadium.
Haba phai se jingïakhun ya final ban kini ekanam Lahduh jingïakhun tra long shisha kabaya khai bormet bar kaba itynnad kumjuru kabla penshong shet ikipai ba nong pekai bar kinong kesan jiko Umtyrnga Football Club bar Lamare Football Club ha kaba kirang ïalehkai na baro arkan won kilai kundo ya ban yo ban penthi ekajar ba de ha kelas step ke Umtyrnga kala yo ban thep ekagol ka balingkong ha kini jingïakhun Hanga kelamiat par kirang ïalehkai ka Lamare Football Club kila nang yakhun ting bar hadien ka tu ka nipor kila yo ban humpai ya kani gol bar pynïaid ya ka jingïakhun Henry kirang ïalehkai ja ka Umtyrnga Football Club kham da kinran din bar da ka jingïakhun ka bating kila yo biang ban thep ka gol ka baar bar wala kirang ka Lamare kila yo ban kirwet biang shi gol Henry ka te ka gol kila shapan ngan no kum ka offside batang hadien ka tu ka nipor unong pynïaid ja kani ka jingïakhun ularai ban penwa ya kani ka jingïakhun naga pelong ke Umtyrnga Football Club bandra ikani lumpung nagaliang ki bor pynïaid ke BSA kila samu ki khusnam pher kintup ki khusnam shimet bar ke Umtyrnga Football Club la yo khungru ke song pisa ke shilak tingka lamar ke trophy kan ba ke Lamare Football Club kala yo khong ke song pisa ke san pho ja tingka bar ke trophy